Hi everybody, hello. Welcome back to Laksh Divination. Hope you guys doing amazing. Alrighty. Let's get set for another reading. And as you can see that I've already pre-shuffled the cards, okay. And first archetype that I got is a rich girl. Can you see that? Yeah. So number 12, a rich girl. So this is giving me the energy that you have defended yourself in spirit, okay. This is a card that keeps coming for your overall energy, right? 7 of Wands, bravery, okay, not giving up at any cost, and the Most High also wants the same from you. Keep up the good work that you are doing. Keep up with your spiritual practices, your goals that you are doing for the Most High, okay, confirmation. And do not ever doubt yourself while doing that because of somebody else's opinions, right? So for this energy, we have got first card as Ace of Pentacles. A blessing of abundance is coming, all right? Something about stability of finances is coming. As you can see, a seed is germinating. This is a seed, right? A seed, an idea, okay? A core idea that revolves around your abundance, okay? That revolves around your abundance. See the leaves? Yes, it will germinate into, the shoots, the leaves, and then will bear fruits as well in the future. But right now you have to see what you actually are growing, correct? See the core, and we have a lot of coinciding energies with this, okay? But let me give you an overall idea that this is a seed right now, okay? That's been given to you by the Most High, okay? To stabilize yourself. See, to stabilize yourself. You are a butterfly right now, correct? It's actually a metamorphosis process that's going on right now with you, correct? With the Two of Pentacles, this is actually a balancing act, right? Balancing of your finances, balancing out of your life, right? This is regarding something that your metamorphosis process is going on, and with that, stability is coming in for you, right? This is what it is depicting. And with that, 8 of Wands. Now, this is giving me an idea where again something about that seed that is germinating, okay, is actually giving you a lot of idea. I think a communication is happening from the spirit realm. Okay, this is the epiphany, bro. This is literally a shift in the momentum, okay? See, this is regarding your transition cycles. So first came this, okay? This is transitioning you to this. And this is coming in quickly, okay? Shifting, like your shift in momentum. Your momentum shifts will be very, very quick, okay? Very rapid shifts. Whether it's your career, okay? Whether it's any aspect of your I think this is career path, right? Because again, it's reminding me of the pentacle energy, the earth energy, something about your material possessions and your money. So this is regarding your money, dear one. Exactly. This is giving the impression of that stabilizing of your finances is coming in quickly. Something like this, okay? Yeah, coming in very quickly. That will satisfy you, okay? This is again a epiphany, a quick shift, okay? Like rapid shift, rapid, right? Yeah, and wow. And chariot, wow, horses. Can you imagine? Again, the seed is blooming, okay? Something about the seed of abundance, and the archetype is very well going with the theme, okay? Like this is so aligned. This is aligned with your destiny, okay? This is an alignment, bro. You can be a female, you can be a male, but this is the archetype just to indicate that yes, abundance is on its way, right? Exactly. Abundance is on its way. So make way for finances, okay? Expand. Do not be afraid to expand right now. Chariot, you are progressing quickly. Literally. The progress, once you start finding opportunities, do not give up and you will keep finding more opportunities. Dig deeper. Keep on digging deeper. Right? Now. Like a loud car honk is actually a confirmation that you have to dig deeper, correct? Now next energy, I don't know why, but this came as short illness. 31 with the number 31 can be 4, okay? 13, 31, 4, take what resonates. Somebody is ill now. This can be anybody, okay? But I see this is coming from the opposition, right? This is actually coming from the opposition. Yeah. Somebody is of the devil here, right? Somebody is of the devil here, and can I change the lights? Somebody is of the devil here, and let me tell you that this is coming from the opposition side. So somebody is now ill. Not in good health. Why? Yes, because they are a dark spiritualist. Okay. They actually portray themselves as somebody who is a magician, who is an upright, okay, who is ethically doing something, okay, manifesting something, but they are actually this in reverse. Okay. When I shuffled the deck, it came on fence and literally it was about to turn around in reverse and it stopped. In that moment, I just understood that yes, this is magician in reverse. So now whatever they invested in, their success is unfulfilled. Something about, again, I can see barren lands, right? And this can be a person who portrays themselves as the Hierophant. Literally, can you see the crow over here? This is not a good omen. This is not a good omen. This person can be, how can I say, can be boasting about themselves as a spiritual mentor or somebody who has a spiritual gift, okay, or something about being a God's servant, shit like that, okay? No, bro, this person is weaving webs, okay? Weaving webs to collect money. See the spider, okay? See the spider. That's actually collecting money, okay? I can read the energy very well here that this person is collecting money and weaving webs. Weaving webs as to falsify information and manipulate people around them, right? And this person is ill now. Whoever was sending black magic towards you. Yeah, this person is weak. Because this person is weak. This is 9 of Wands in reverse. Strength reverse. This person thought that they were very powerful and they can play God. Literally, this person thought to themselves like this, that they can play God in your life. But this is reverse, bro, reverse. Something about ascension. This is telling me ascension, right? Ascension, but this is not ascension, bro. Somebody who has fallen. Literally. Okay? Fallen from grace. Fallen from grace, bro. And I think this is giving me, yeah, I clarified 9 of Wands. So this came as 4 of Cups in reverse, Four of Cups in reverse is telling me that a lot of failure to see one's blessing, okay, like too much focused upon the external things, okay. Yeah, I think they are heavily focused upon you. And this is regarding an emperor. This can be regarding the emperor. I see can be a father figure as well, okay. Can be because of a father figure, okay. Take what resonates. And something about the stability, your stability, that these people were pointing out. Again, this energy is here, but it is a dark core. It doesn't have light, it has dark core. Something about dark energy. So these people might be working with a lot of dark entities, okay, to hinder your stability, your finances. I can see that. Cool. Now, next archetype that I got is number 5 with the Good Lord. So this can be a person who has a lot of properties, or maybe specifically can be a person who is dealing in real estate or has some kind of property, I don't know. Cool. This is the Good Lord. Can be a wise, noble person as well. Can be your future person, or something about a couple or a partnership, okay. Take what resonates and leave what does not. So first came in Sun. Again, this is regarding your stability, okay, the establishment. Now so this is regarding a partnership. Something about this partnership is exposed, where the Sun is depicting stability, okay, firm established name in the society, in the community, right? And with that firm established name and fame. The Two of Swords, okay, stalemate came in. So again, this energy is coming in. Again, stalemate because of dark entities, okay, stalemate because of, this can be your partnership, okay. This is telling me that once your partnership was never ever blooming because of dark entities, and because of that you both were always at a stalemate, something like that. Or somebody's partnership is coming at a stalemate, or is gonna come at a stalemate because of something being exposed or illuminated. The Devil came in after that. So stalemate because of Devil, okay. I think this is regarding your past relationship here, okay. And this can be a couple here who is actually working with the Devil here, right? Because again, we have this Devil confirmation, right? Again it came, so obviously it's a confirmation that these people were using demonic spirits, working with the Devil here, correct? So obviously this is understood. With the Devil, I wanted to clarify the Devil. So first came Queen of Cups. You are the target here, dear one. You are the target. They are targeting you. So this partnership is something about, maybe you were the one who asked this person, kept asking this person to stay, but this person did not stay. Maybe you thought that this person was a noble person, but in actual, this person was working with the Devil here. No doubt, you are the Queen of Cups. This is upright, okay. And this is your energy. Yeah, this is your energy, dear one. And with that, I have 10 of swords. Can you imagine? This was the whole entire plan to literally ruin your life here. This was the entire plan. It can be a couple, but I see your past person's involvement over here, whom you thought that this person was good, this person had a huge heart, this person was noble and would never ever do something like this to me. But this was the actual plan of this person, okay? That literally, I don't know what to say, but this happened in spirit, and they would have definitely had its effects, okay? Had its effects in your life at some point of time for sure, where you felt like, no bro, this was not meant for me. And after that, I have this energy coming in after 10 of swords, the moon in reverse. Something is definitely exposed, and this is regarding the hidden secrets about this person, the dark secrets, okay? Upright is hidden, but reverse is not hidden anymore from you, dear divine collective. From you, this is not hidden anymore from you. You're not confused anymore what was hidden, right? And with that, it brought a lot of pain and discord with the 5 of swords. I can see that. See, something about, like, how can I put it? This truth ripped you off, ripped your heart completely, like anything. It was so sharp to even hear about it from the divine forces itself. And this was regarding your generational wealth. This was regarding about the 10 of Pentacles here. I was like, what the hell? What the hell? You would have felt like, what the hell? Like, seriously? 5 of swords just for this? This blessing is coming to you, okay? This was not something about them. These people thought that they deserve this. These people literally thought that people like them deserve these blessings, okay? They never ever considered you as a human, first of all, because they themselves do not respect themselves, right? They don't want to see their true facade, okay? These people want to keep up with their pride and ego so that people see them that they hold some power in the society. But this is all bullshit, literally. This is just a facade, okay, and not their reality. In reality, if you would see these people even talking, even opening their mouth, it's always trash, okay? It's always trash. Not even third class people, to be really honest. Leave alone messing or talking with these people, with these kind of people. And these people, these kind of people, these narcissists only slander your name just for money, okay? Just for money. Complete narcissists. And the bottom of the deck, again, 7 of swords energy came in. I don't know, I feel like this was the deception, okay? This was the facade again. And it's a confirmation. It's a confirmation that this not only brought pain and discord, but it was a pure deception with the devil here. Somebody you thought was a noble man, that was a facade, dear. That was a facade. This was actual this. You see the fox and how it's looking? Exactly. With one eye. This is who this person is inside. Okay? Can you see that? This is how this person looks at you. in real. And there is a lot of demonic attachments as well. Can be an entity attachment to this person, and this entity looks at you like this because the entity knows, okay, this demon knows about you, that you are this energy, Princess of Swords. They know who you are in spirit, bro. They know your true essence, okay? But to be really honest, Dear Divine Collective, you are heavily protected, okay? And this, your blessing, is also heavily protected right now, okay? So don't worry, cool? Do not worry. It will be all okay, and it's gonna be stabilizing very soon. Cool? So I leave you guys here. Thank you so much for joining in, tuning in. I'll meet you in the next message. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Divine Rising and ciao. Bye-bye.